Hello everyone and welcome to another video. To better prepare for what is coming in the crypto world in the next 1 to 2 years, we need to know exactly what happened in the past. So in this video, I will talk about very important events that happened in 2023 and about the possible scenarios for 2024 and 2025. Also, at the end of this video, I will invite you to join our team. So watch this video until the end and find out what is it about. Exactly 1 year ago, we published a video in which we bought the whole Bitcoin and certain altcoins and created a portfolio that we will share with you through this bull market. Why then, as well as other useful information for the next 2 years, you can find in the video that is on our YouTube channel. Also, we did an analysis of the stock market over the past 100 years and talked about the correlation of the stock market with the crypto market, where we established that we are in the cyclical bear market of a secular bull market and that there is no reason to panic. We did an analysis of Bitcoin for the past 13 years and talked about what are the risks of investing and why we think that Bitcoin will grow in the next 2 to 3 years. We did a technical analysis of Bitcoin when it was at $16,000 and talked about the levels that we can expect and where and when we can expect Bitcoin to peak in this bull market, and much more. Despite all the videos and warnings that a recession awaits us in 2023, that everything will fall, including Bitcoin, Michael Burry, who shorted S&P 500 and Tesla and then closed positions with the losses in 2023, at the end of the year, our portfolio is in profit, which is around $30,000. And we closed the year with the fact that we didn't have a single cryptocurrency from our portfolio that was in the red. And the profit ranged from over 600% when it comes to Solana and down to just a few percent when it comes to Matic, from whom we still expect great growth in this and the next year. We also shared with you that we bought Solana when it was $13. You can also find that post with the pool on our Belkin channel. At that moment, we bought 123 Solanas, which was around $1,600 investment. Now the price of one Solana is almost $100 and we earn almost 3 Sol tokens by staking. This investment is currently laying around $12,000, which brings us over $10,000 in profit from just one token. We have shared with you 4 cryptocurrencies that we recently bought for $500 at perhaps not the most favorable price. But we believe that because they are new projects and that they have just appeared on the exchanges in 2023 and are still in the development phase, they can bring good profits until the end of this bull market. For now, that portfolio is in the plus by around 20% or $100. And this is just the beginning. It is just our positioning before the prices really start to go wild, considering that we are expecting Bitcoin ETF now or in a few months, Ethereum ETF, crypto regulations, interest rate cuts, XRP case results, and much more. We are not telling you all this to brag, but to draw attention to our work, to share with you useful and constructive information, and to awaken people to become active in one way or another when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. We think that this may be the last chance for ordinary people like us to enter the crypto market at these prices, before large companies do. Many of you have already noticed the quality of the information we share with you and earned well in the previous year. When BlackRock, currently the largest company in the world, whose ETF is expected to manipulate the price this year, companies such as WisdomTree, ARK Invest, Fidelity, and other multimillionaire and multi-billionaire companies start investing, it's unlikely that you will have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin this cheap again. And most people today make a mistake because they focus on making quick money and buy tokens and coins that have already jumped several thousand %. We talked about meme coin from the 9gag page, which can be bought on Binance and which is currently, in spite of this drop, at about 2000% profits from the ICO. People could see a token raising in price like this one and thinking, oh great, this token is like a few thousand% up, let me buy in this position and then I will make few thousand% again. People who really made money with these tokens are the ones who bought ICO, and once it went live to an exchange, they sold part of the profits on maybe 2 or 3,000%, and now every month when they have some of the portion unlocked, they're also selling. And I realized this few years ago. This is the third bull market for me, and I believe that experience from the previous two helped me to make an accurate and precise plan for the maximum gains in this bull market. At this moment, we are mostly focusing on ICO project. For those who haven't been following our channel for a long time, ICO projects are new crypto projects that have yet to be released on one of the exchanges. These include new blockchains, wallets, applications, crypto games, and much more. The reason is that most companies consider that breaking these levels of $30,000 to $40,000, these two red lines, is just the beginning of the bull market. New companies which have been working on their projects for several years and have several million users, followers, and the support of other large companies are only now feeling comfortable to announce their projects and list on one of the exchanges. The reason for this is because good companies know that the best time to start a business is the beginning of a bull market. The mood in the crypto market is positive, everyone invests money, and their projects, if they are good, can grow from 10 to 10,000 times before the arrival of the next bear market. We have been participating in ICO purchases for several months now, and you can find a video on our channel about the DeFi project, one of the better ones that we bought recently, to see how the analysis of an entire project looks like. We will do the same for the whole year of 2024 because big projects are about to go live and prepare the ground for going to exchanges. Most of these new projects have token lock, which usually lasts from a few months to 2 years, but it gives you an excellent opportunity for passive income. When you get to the point where you have bought 30 different projects, regardless of whether it is for $100 or $1,000, you have to start with something. You will have every week the unlocking of a part of the tokens of a project that you can sell on one of the exchanges. To me, that is the sweetest part of earnings. That's why I think it's the best for you to get involved now, as much as you can and as much as you feel comfortable with the risk. We have created a free Telegram channel for you, which you can find in the description of this video and which you can follow in order to stay up to date with the latest news, updates, and announcements from the world of cryptocurrencies, as well as a VIP Telegram channel for those who express a desire to join our team and gain insights into all future premium ICOs, airdrops, opportunities, investments, weekly cryptocurrency analysis, insider information, and more. We created 3 different packages and we try to be realistic with the prices, where we reward people who are interested in membership for a long time. For example, if you take the 6-month package, it will cost you around $40 per month and you will get our Crypto Masterclass course for free, where you can learn for yourself everything we do. That will be everything for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the information that we share with you, you can consider giving us a like, comment, or subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.